So good morning everyone. I have decided today to take you with me for my morning walk. See how beautiful it is. The weather is nice. You just hear the sound of birds. So let us walk and see how many kilometers we make today. I would like to reach 12 kilometers. I hope I will manage within 1 hour. Let us see the beauty. That rained since yesterday. See how beautiful it is. The sounds of birds. No people. I can see only two people there in front of me. They're taking their dog for a walk. This area is a very peaceful area. So I'm trying to see if I can manage to reach 12 kilometers this morning. And then I will manage the least kilometers in the evening. So this video I will upload it after walk. Let us first walk and see how far we will come to see how beautiful. Please comment down. Tell me if you love nature, if you would like to walk this place or place like this, and if you live in Hamburg and would like to take a walk in this area, you can contact me. Comment down. I will let you know where this place is. It's not far. It's a very peaceful place. So there's a road here I can follow, but for me, I love just walking. Depends now, it has rained, but yeah. Let me try to walk here to cross this. I hope I hope I can balance myself. Oh, it is shaking. It is shaking, but I think I can manage to. I'm not too heavy. I have managed. Hey guys, you see, I finished this side, which is around 4 kilometers. So we are going to cross this road and then we continue with the other side for another 5 or 6, and then we will be back on the same road, but I will not go to the end. I will take some direction to my place. So yeah, this is the second part, which I normally connect from that side to this side. Is where also I connect to make my walk a little bit longer. So here's where I connect. It is the same green and beautiful. Yeah, let us walk. Hope you enjoy the video. Hi guys, see this morning what I found. See the beautiful babies. See, oh, see, see, wow, what a beautiful morning. See, Wow. See. She got babies. She got 7 babies. She got 7 babies. Wow, beautiful. Let us see, maybe we find another one. Oh, so beautiful. What a beautiful day. We are thinking I brought something to eat, but we are not allowed to feed them. We are not allowed to feed them. So after walking 6 kilometers, I came to take a break here. I was sitting down there and I saw these small chicks. See how they are swimming. Oh, beautiful. What a beautiful morning. They are thinking I brought something to eat, but I haven't bring anything because we are not allowed. We are not allowed to feed them. Although I've not seen any I will check there if they have written something about them, that there are some area we are not allowed to feed them, but here I don't know. So I just take it automatically. We are not allowed to feed them because I don't want to have any problem with the government. Yeah, so these ones are government, German government is taking care of them, and they have just put them there for us as residents to enjoy and to have that feeling of nature. So guys, we have made it now. We are now we are on 8 kilometers. Still going. I'm almost coming out of forest now. We go. I'm going this way. I came from that side and then I crossed the road to the other side. And now I'm going this side. I can come out of the road and then I go home. Tell me, how do you think about this kind of content? Let me know if you like to see more. Yeah.